One day, Jesus was telling everybody about how God loved them. And so can you say that, Jesus? God loves you.
God loves you.
He wants to heal you
He wants to heal you.
of all of your sicknesses.
And all your sicknesses.
Have faith.
Have faith.
And so everybody was crowding around him because he was healing people of their sicknesses. He was making blind people see. He was making deaf people hear. He was making lame people walk. And so all the crowds would crowd around Jesus. Well, there was a father who had a very sick little girl. And he goes, "Daughter, don't worry." You say that?
Father, don't worry.
"I'm going to go get Jesus.
I'm going to go get Jesus.
And he's going to make you well."
He's going to make you well.
You say, "Okay, Dad." Okay, so he runs into the crowd and he goes to Jesus and he says, "Jesus, Jesus,
Jesus, Jesus.
my little girl,
My little girl.
my only daughter,
My only daughter.
she's going to die.
She's going to die.
I need you to come to my house."
I need you to come to my house.
And Jesus, having compassion on the dad, said, "I will go." Can you say that?
I will go.
"Don't worry."
Don't worry.
Well, meanwhile, there was a lady who was so sick. She had been sick for 12 years of a sickness. She had wasted all her money on all the doctors. And she said, "I'm so sad." Can you say that?
I was so sad.
"I need Jesus to heal me.
I need Jesus to heal me.
If I could only touch his clothes." You say that?
I only touch his clothes.
"He will heal me."
Heal me.
Okay, so as Jairus is standing over here and Jesus is facing this way, they're walking towards the little girl's house. She sneaks up and she touches his clothes. And he's there. "Whoa!" Can you say, "I'm healed,
I'm here.
but I'm going to sneak away"? So she snuck back in the crowd. But Jesus stopped and he said, "Whoa!
Whoa.
Somebody touched me."
Somebody touched me.
Well, the disciples, you guys are going to be disciples. You're going to say, "Oh, stay right there." Okay, come on. All right, tell him, "Jesus,
Teacher.
everybody's touching you."
That I do.
But Jesus tells them, "No, somebody touched me in a special way.
Somebody touched me in a special way.
I felt the power go out."
I felt the power to
So she comes over and she's squeezed by her ankle. And she says, "Jesus, I touched you
I touched you.
and you healed me."
You healed me.
And so Jesus, can you tell her, "Daughter,
Daughter,
your faith
your faith
has made you well.
has made you well.
Go in peace."
Go in peace.
Oh, and she was so happy that she gave Jesus a hug. Oh, and she gave her friend a hug. Oh, because remember, in those days, you weren't allowed to touch anybody if you were bleeding all the time. Oh, so she and her friend went home, and they were so happy. Okay, so go sit down over there. All right, Jairus is going, "Jesus, Jesus, hurry, hurry. She's really sick." Now, somebody came from the house and told him, tell him, "Jairus,
Jairus,
don't bother Jesus.
don't bother Jesus.
Your daughter has died."
Your daughter has died.
Oh, and Jairus started to cry. "Oh no, my daughter died." Can you say that?
No, my daughter died.
But Jesus told him, "Don't worry.
Don't worry.
She's just asleep.
She's just asleep.
Let's go." So they went into the house. Now all of you guys are the crowd, and we're crying really loud. "Oh no! Oh no! But Jesus turned to them and said, "Shush." Oh, Jesus said, "Shush." Tell him she's not dead.
She's not dead.
She's just sleeping.
She's just sleeping.
Well, the crowd laughed at Jesus. Can we laugh? Ha ha! Shush. Oh. Ooh, good job. So he said, "Please,
Leave.
only mommy and daddy come in,
Only mom and daddy tell me.
and his friend." All right, so come on. You can come in with a friend. All right, so turn around, and you're going to say, "Little girl,
Little girl,
arise."
arise.
And all of a sudden, the little girl was healed, and she got up. Whoa! Can you say, "Heaven was awesome"? But I'm hungry. All right, she can say, "Mommy, go get her a snack." All right, can you guys give him a big clap?